Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add effect to a picture in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, open your PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the new slide drop-down menu. Create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and picture drop-down menu. Then click this device. Double click this picture, insert the picture. Select the picture and then go to the picture format. Then click picture effect drop down menu. You can add preset, shadow, reflection. Now I am at preset. Again picture effect drop down menu. I am adding shadow. Reflection, level. Here you can see add effect to a picture very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.